This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. When you think of reliability and dependability, you normally think of a Toyota Camry. This one is no exception. Check out this 2022 Toyota Camry SE. Your SE is your sporty model. This thing is absolutely beautiful. It's just like new. Around back, you've got a rear deck spoiler, backup camera, SE badging on the trunk. Gorgeous 18-inch alloy wheels with a great set of tires. The Camry has plenty of room for your rear seat passengers. It's pre-dawn gray mica with black interior, tinted windows, color keyed door handles, and color keyed mirror caps. LED daytime running lights, LED projector beam headlights, forward collision sensor. It's equipped with keyless entry. Power moonroof, bucket seats, power seat, all-weather mats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, blind spot warning located in your rear view mirror. That also comes with rear cross traffic alert. Auto dimming high beam headlights, traction control, fuel door release, and trunk release. Automatic headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, you've got paddle shifters, trip computer functions, audio controls, Bluetooth, and dynamic radar intelligent cruise. Only 41,000 well cared for, one owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Backup camera. Dual zone climate control. USB ports, 12-volt outlet. Console shifter. Heated seats. Factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, and those power moonroof controls overhead. If you'd like to know more about this 2022 Toyota Camry SE, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.